Understanding Bug Fixes, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got a fascinating topic to discuss: the term bug fixes. You might have seen this phrase in software updates or heard it from tech-savvy friends. And today we're going to dive deep to understand what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started. First, let's look at the two words in the phrase separately. A bug, in this context, doesn't mean an insect. Instead, it refers to a mistake or error in a computer program. On the other hand, a fix is a solution to a problem. So, when we talk about bug fixes, we are talking about solutions to correct errors or mistakes in software. Bug fixes are crucial because they help improve the performance of software, making it run smoother and more efficiently. They also address security vulnerabilities, protecting users from potential threats. So, when an update is released with bug fixes, it's generally a good idea to install it to ensure you're using the safest and most reliable version of the software. Now that we understand what bug fixes are, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. The new update includes several bug fixes and performance improvements. After identifying the problem, the developers released a patch with the necessary bug fixes. Users were happy to see the bug fixes in the latest version of the app. Notice how in each sentence, bug fixes are associated with improving the software and addressing issues. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the term bug fixes. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of this phrase and how to use it in everyday conversations, especially when talking about software and technology. If you have any questions or need further explanations, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. See you in the next video, and happy learning!